Good morning, everyone. Okay, so today is Tuesday and we're going to have a one day, one word. And our word for today is, what's our word for today? Weather. Mewalay. What is weather?
Weather, how the air outside feels and what is happening at that time. อากาศเป็นอย่างไรในช่วงเวลานั้น
Okay, again, weather, how the air outside feels and what is happening at that time. So let's spell the word weather. Let's start with the letter
W E A T H E R weather.
Again, what is the weather? What is the word for today? One more. Okay, so we have 5 kinds of weather today. And let's start with the first weather.
Sunny and off.
Okay, so the first weather is sunny, rainy, we have cloudy, windy, and stormy. So let's have a conversation about our weather. Okay, so again, what is our word for today? Grade 3, what's our word for today? Weather. Let's spell the word weather. U-E-A-T-H-E-R. Weather. Mewalay? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and see you again next time.